Hey guys and girls, welcome back to some more Momodora. That's a tongue twister. I'm so glad you guys could join me today, so let's jump right in. I don't know, I'm really liking this game, and it's just growing on me. It's so cool. I just want to see what happens, and well, I've only played for 48 minutes. I guess that's about right. Okay guys, let's continue. So last time, we beat up that fucking witch lady, Lubella the Witch of Decay, so that's who we beat up, and now we're just... Okay, you know what? You're not even scary anymore. I don't believe in the boogeyman anymore. You know what I mean? You're dead. Huh. Yeah. Oh, you want some? Oh. Okay, that's a good way to start off the video. Let's die already, come on. My existence is pain, end me. Huh. Yeah. Ugh. Huh. Fuck that. Okay, so you can't even damage those people. And then you know what? Okay, let's just keep moving this way. We gotta find the queen. Yeah, we know your story already. You told us. I think we already beat we already beat that guy, so we don't need to worry about that. And you know what else I figured out was that, well, I guess I could go this way. Whoa, hello. Yeah, that was too quick. Too quick for you. Hello. Goodbye. Hey. No! Well, that was bullshit. I think over here, so... let me just pray again. Whatever, save. So... oh yeah, we can probably go back to this girl over here and... Oh yeah, so what I noticed is that there was these steps right here last time I looked. And if we... Okay, that's what happens. I didn't know what was over there. I just wanted to figure it out. It's a good thing we saved right before then, I guess. Oh, that was close. I almost fucking kicked my own ass right there. So, I kind of was curious to see what was over there. Well, I found out the hard way. Nothing good. So, let's see what's underwater. Because I know before... Okay, so what are we doing? How do we... Ooh, okay. There's like nothing down here. Alright, just keep moving. Oh. Okay, so we made it through wherever this is. Oh. What happened? Oh god, it's dark. What? Who the fuck? Lady, put a shirt on, okay? Because you're finally out of the cell. It should be safe here. This place seems completely abandoned. Now, which way is the forest again? I don't know. Who the hell is this person? Oh, hey, it's me. Hi. Huh? What's with those clothes? Who are you? Identify yourself now. I'm Candy. Hi. Priestess. Okay then. Here's a friendly warning. You won't find safety in this region anymore. According to hearsay, the queen summoned a storm of disease from her castle. One that's spreading throughout the world. Look, you don't seem like a bad person. Please run away from here and save yourself while you still can. Yeah, we already know, you dumb lady. We don't care about your big boobies anymore. Oh, what is that? It's a bad person. Oh! Don't throw things at me. Oh, whoa, that was cool. Okay, so that's a really unfriendly person right now. Yeah, take that. Yeah. Yes. None shall take it. Let me get this treasure chest. Huh? A secret area? Huh? What? That's like way too small for me. But it's still a secret. What is it? Sans! It's you!
Hey, Caho! Help me somehow.
Okay, Sans, let me find the way out for you, pal. Oh, hey, who's this guy?
Please, you must find a way to get me out of this cell! Some sort of spell is spreading from the kingdom to this land, to the lands of the west, home of my people. Please, don't leave me alone here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll find a way. I'll find a way to release you, Sans, and other person, thing, whatever you are. Oh god, that doesn't look safe. Huh, yeah. Yes. Huh, yeah. Perfect. Uh-oh. Hello. Does she see me? Oh, look at that person. Ooh, hello. What is over here? Is that a bell? It's a bell, but it's not ringable. Ha! Yeah, yeah. Ha! Cursed. Oh god. Dude. Oh. Okay, you know, this is really... Ah! Oh my god, I'm getting out of here. Wow! No. Ah! That was difficult. I couldn't move. She moved in on me too. Okay, you know, there's no save point over there, but whatever. So, we know what to do now. Ow! You know what? I'm trying to get those things. I can't. I'm a loser. Was it underwater that it went? It was, wasn't it? Alright, let's go over to the chest. Bang, boom, bang, bong. A bing, bang, bong, bing, bang, bong. Okay. Alright, so we just need to keep moving this way. And that'll do us some good. So we made it down to this place. And the lady was talking to herself, being a fucking weirdo. Okay, whatever. Alright, yeah. We don't care about that. Just keep moving, lady. She's all like, oh, well, yeah. So she was one of those ladies that was trapped in the cell. And now that I'm on the subject, I might as well talk to you guys about the nightmare I had last night. Which was about Goofy. It was really scary. You know, Disney Goofy. But for whatever reason, me and my friends were trapped on this island. And I couldn't quite explain it. But we were all trapped on this island. And Goofy was basically, you know... It was like a plastic, almost like a plastic Goofy thing, and it was really weird. I just couldn't explain to you what it was like. So we had to figure out these puzzles to get through. Hey, there's a save point here. How can I help you? I'm sorry. A charity shard. What does this do? Active effect increases visibility in dark areas. Necklace of sacrifice. Passive effect increases attack by 100% when health is. Ooh. Oh, I don't have enough. Ooh. Might as well. I might have to look for... Anyway. So me and my friends were all trapped on this island. Oh, I can just hit the bell and then it works. But if I... Wow, that's actually really useful. I didn't know that. Okay, so anyway. Me and my friends were trapped on this place. And we had to figure out these puzzles to get through. We had to figure out the puzzles to get through the island. Which was... blocked off, so we had to find some kind of relic of sorts. And my friend found the relic, but we were solving the puzzles like crazy, so we were all getting through the puzzles. And he found the relic, and he grabbed it. And when he grabbed it, we basically, nothing happened, and we were kind of waiting for something to happen. Like, we thought we were getting out of there, so we were like, oh, okay, good. So we're gonna get out of here. But when he grabbed it, he started to transform. Like, his skin started to turn into hard plastic. And it was really fucking scary, okay? Like, ow, yo, lady, I see what you're talking about, okay? So the skin started to turn to, like, hard plastic. And, you know, I didn't quite understand most of what was going on. It was just so fucking terrifying. And I tried to run away, but then I got turned into one of them as well. And it was just a weird experience. I don't know, it was so fucking creepy. I've never had a nightmare like that before. Ugh. God, these stupid fucking bats, they're annoying. Okay, we gotta be careful here. Take this! Yeah, that'll teach you. Huh? Huh. Oh, look at this place. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to traverse that area again later. Get out of the way. Hey, a save point. I don't understand. Am I like... Okay. What's over here? Nothing. Okay. Huh? Those fish. Almost like they were telling me something. Okay. Yeah, that'll teach you. Don't mess with the best. Whoa. Okay, that was interesting. Oh, whoa. What is that? Oh, I think it's their lanterns they're dropping. Take this! Yes. Okay, so we just need to get up here. That's not too hard. I mean... Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's go. Woo! Okay, so what? What do we do there? Nothing, apparently. Okay, let's just keep moving, I guess. I'm noticing a lot of little tiny... Oh, dude, how did I miss that jump? Okay, whatever. Subterranean grave. What is that? Oh, that's so pretty. It's a jellyfish. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm too small to get that. But it's an item. Okay, perfect. Just... Whoa! Huh. Yeah. She's all like, you little shit. Take this! Huh? She blocked. That was interesting. Ow. Ooh, wow. Okay, so I gotta be careful with those. because that lady packs quite a punch. She's pretty bright, if you know what I mean. Okay, that was bad. Just punish me, gods of puns, please. Whoa, whoa! I don't know what was going on there. Yeah. That'll teach you. Yeah. Alright, let's keep moving. Oh, okay, that was close. Kind of get scared. How am I supposed to make that? Especially with all these little bats flying around. Oh, that was close. Whoa. Okay. Okay. They're trying to get me. Run. Oh, I thought she was gonna blow up for sure. Oh, no! What was that little thing? So cute. Hey, just open up another passage. You basically just opened up this place again. Not bad. Thanks, little guy. Too bad I had to kill you. So I can just hit the bell and I don't even have to pray anymore. I could pray, though. Maybe I need to. Come on, get out of the way. That's right. Come here. Take that. What a loser. Boop 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 scoop boop. Huh? Uh-oh. Yeah. What is that? A little cage? Oh. Uh-oh, something bad. Uh-oh. No, a boss. Oh god, what is this? Please, please, nothing scary. What? What are you? Take this! He's gone. Oh god. There he is. Oh god, what's happening? Oh! Hey! I just figured out how to get... I just got behind his ass, too. That's pretty good. I just gotta keep it up. Ah! Whoa! Okay. Heal up! Oh god. He knew which way I was going. Take this! This guy is really easy. Okay. Hey. Oh my god, he's like some bird thing. He's really creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa! Stay back! Take this! Ow! I am not dodging him right. Take this! Okay, he's doing a little sexy dance. Okay, he's dead. Bye-bye. That was interesting. Whatever that was. Jeez. What a weirdo. What is that? Huh. You found a crest fragment. Its essence grants you the ability to charge arrows faster. Hey, that's good. Oh yeah, now we're cooking. Okay, perfect. Now we can just get out of here, right? I think. I stink. Oh, scared me. Yes! Wow, the arrows are ridiculously strong now. Ha! Perfect. Alright, let's go. Huh! You're not gonna get the best of me. Okay, so I already actually went down here. No, you don't. I gotta go this way. Did I free those guys in the cages? Or... Wow, there's a lot of skulls everywhere. That doesn't look friendly. Better keep moving. What's up here? Did I... I never came this way, did I? Wait, or did I? I'm back in Car City, so... I don't know. Oh yeah, there's that way I didn't go in Car City, so I should be going that way now. Okay, hey lady, hi. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god, so you can sink? Oh god, that's not good. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna get back up there. Show that lady who's boss. Whoa. That fucking thing is so dangerous. Don't want her to attack me. I'm in a lot of low health situations, so maybe that item would be good if I did 100% attack on low health. Because you know what? You get into a lot of situations like that for whatever reason. It just seems to be like the norm, you know? Come on, come on, float. Float like a butterfly, sting like a leaf. I know, that doesn't make any sense, because it doesn't make any sense. Take this! Whoa. She dropped a lot, dude. Hey, an item. No. Ow, hey! Stop it! What a jerk. Okay, what was the item I got just now? Passive. Passive. Attracts money stars. A peculiar rock, rarely found on the surface. Okay, interesting. What do I do then? I think I just came over for that thing. Oh, so they basically just bring all those little monies to me. That's good. I usually miss a lot of those too. Maybe I need to go up there. Oh, that's right. I need to go up here. But, well, let's get that thing first, because that was actually pretty useful. So we're going to go grab that before I forget. Because, you know, we need it. And it would be nice to have. So we got to go talk to our drug dealer, who deals all of... She's like our drug dealer, okay? Subterranean grave. Oh, shit. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Go to sleep. Good night. Okay, let's get that item from you. How can I help you? I will take the necklace, please. Thank you. Astral charm. And sometimes enemies will drop necklace of sacrifice. Very small necklace. Those who wear it will find strength in its strange blessing, hoping to retrieve that which was lost. So, yeah, we'll keep that on because it seems like a good thing to have. And I don't really care. I'm in a lot of low health situations, so fuck that shit. It might actually come in handy. No, screw you. We are not talking about this anymore. We're done. I'm not dating you anymore, lady. No more kisses from you. You're a bad kisser anyway. Anyone ever tell you? Anyone ever tell you that? Anyone ever tell you how bad of a kisser you are? Oh, I told her. I said, yeah, listen to me there, girl. You're a bad kisser and you don't kiss well. And she's all like, well, you know, I don't know what to do. And I'm like, well, that's okay. And then she's all like, do. Okay, let's go up here. So, huh? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I already beat that guy. He's not so tough. Or she. I don't know, honestly. Just get one-shotted, okay? Just do that for me, will ya? So it looks like we gotta drop that ball thing down. So we gotta hit 2 switches. Oh, there's one. Hey, it worked. Oh god! Dun 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 dun! Dun dun dun! Oh god! Oh, jeez. Oh, whoa! Stay back. Well, she just got wrecked. Oh, inspect. I need some kind of cube. It's asking for a cube of sorts. I don't even know where all these tiny little spots are. How am I supposed to get in there? Ow! You know what? That was very rude. Go to sleep. Stop it. And what I came to the conclusion is whenever I get hit, I sound like, I don't know if you noticed, but I kind of sound like, if you've ever played Bomberman Hero for Nintendo 64, you know what I'm talking about. The royal court has been ignoring us citizens ever since this kingdom fell to a curse. If you want to stay safe, don't leave outside. Okay. Well, that's not me. I'm an adventurer by heart. Who's that? Don't come any closer. Huh? Oh well, you seem sane enough. Yeah. You're a priestess seeking an audience with the royal court? In the present state, reaching the castle is highly difficult. You won't find help easily in this city, but my master might be able to guide you. She lives inside the city's monastery, surrounded by cats. Okay, that's not creepy. Thanks for the tip. Is everybody so friendly to me? Because, you know, they're... Hello? The Forlorn Monastery. A neophyte? Do you seek salvation? Huh? You can achieve salvation from eternal damnation by donating to St. Eslin. A recommendation of at least 15 monies is needed for that. Okay. We are thankful. You may find peace. Oh. Alright, thank you. Do I donate to you too? We are a small minority now that Her Highness propagated her destruction. Most of the population has lost faith in the gods. She's to blame for all that is wrong right now. Interesting. So, I'm in a monastery, and these are... Oh, look at this chubby one. Oh, she's so chubby! St. Eslin is absolute. His wish reigns supreme. You are safe here with us. She's like, nope. I'm not having it. Don't talk to me. Go away. Oh, what's up there? Ding dong. Pray. Ooh. Pray. I thought you said I was safe. Fucking liar. Okay. Whoa. No. Ah! Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end it here. This one dragged on just a little bit. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, a wonderful life. I love you guys very much. Bye-bye.